each year we put millions of new RYOBI power tools in the marketplace and lawn and garden tools in the marketplace. So collectively, we need somewhere to store all that equipment. So introducing the new RYOBI modular storage system to organize, access, and transport your life. What's cool about this system is it's one cohesive system between your wall storage and your mobile storage needs. So you can take your mobile storage toolboxes off the wall and transport them onto your mobile stack to have a level of customization and organization that users have never had before, okay? So first of all, let's talk about our pro user, okay? So that's a significant part of our RYOBI user base is our pro, okay? This is our remodeler, this is our MRO, this is our handyman, this is our roofer, this is our siding guy, right? That are out there on the job site using RYOBI tools every single day, okay? And what's important to these guys is to have one cohesive system that not only carries and transports their tools to their job site, but they can use for their entire storage needs. So you can use that same system and same locking interface to store all your lawn and garden equipment, store your sporting goods, and store your power tools as well. So you can get all your things up off the floor, onto the wall in an organized way to use as an application-based menu based on the daily tasks that you need to execute that particular day. Okay, so you can take your organizer bins off the wall, take your power tools off the wall, load them up in your toolboxes. We've got our power tool accessory bit bars that can plug right into all of our lids. Okay, so make it application-based, cater to your user needs, everything you need to do for that particular task, that particular day. Okay. Also, our toolboxes are IP65 rated, okay? So water and dirt and dust proof. So keep all your tools nice and clean, protected, dry, clean, ready to go. What's also nice is we've got our common locking interface. So we've got one button that can disconnect the toolbox from your stack. Automatically locks to the box below it. Okay, so it's simple and easy. A lot of the competitive systems out there, they use those side latch systems, which you kind of get those false positives on, are my tools all locked together? Are they not? You kind of find out the hard way when you start kind of tumbling as you're taking it back to the truck or the van that day, right? So all of our stuff automatically locks, making it as super easy as possible for the user. High level of customization, make everything your own, and take everything you need with you. So mobile storage is where all of our pros are probably going to be entering the system, and we want to make sure that we've got the durability needed to survive job site use every single day. So we've got a 200-pound load capacity for our system. Okay, so this is DIY on steroids, right? This is designed for the job site every single day. We've got large 9-inch wheels to traverse all the rough terrain like concrete, sticks, curbs, all that kind of stuff, rocks, roots, stairs. Most of the other ones out there have 7-inch wheels or less. We've got a heavy-duty, all-steel telescoping handle that gives you 44 inches of extension to make sure that you can carry all your stack of tools with you in one efficient trip. You know, even pros on the job site are taking multiple trips to transport all their tools from their vehicle to where they're going to be working that day. So it's all about, you know, Vince, you said on your channel the other day, it's all about efficiency, right? Time is money, guys. Time is money. Let's transport all of our tools in a very efficient way. For the things that you can't lock on top, like a toolbox, we've got anchors here that you can put a miter saw, bags of concrete, boxes of tile, whatever you might need to lock down between the front and the back of your rolling toolbox. Okay? We've got all of our anchors right here. So you can put your bundies, your tie-down straps, anything you need. The telescoping handle here can be removed to fit underneath the tonneau cover. So if you've got a truck cover to make sure all your tools are protected, you can just remove these two bolts, pull out this entire handle assembly, and close your tonneau cover, no problem. Okay? And for the users that need to do this every single day, there's going to be some detent pin accessories that you can buy online that you can do that tool free.
I have to interrupt at that point. I'm sorry. So the tool free accessory, right?
Yep.
That's going to be sold through RYOBI?
It'll be sold through HomeDepot.com.
but it will be a RYOBI product.
Absolutely.
Wow, okay, cool. I'm not trying to interrupt 100 times. I'm so excited about this one. I could have jumped in here 4 times. I wasn't trying to bust your groove. Get back out of here.
No, you're great. You're great. You're great.
Can you show how that comes out the back with the handle?
I can. All right, guys, so all you need to do to fit inside the tonneau cover is collapse your handle, take your T25 fastener, remove those two, and then pull out the entire handle assembly. The other thing to note, guys, is just how heavy duty our handle assembly is compared to some of the other solutions out there. This is 6.7 pounds. Okay, this is, I mean, the rolling toolbox is your workhorse, right? That's gonna take all that payload to the job site in one trip versus some of those rickety handles that you see from other solutions out there. So 6.7 pounds, that's 3.5 times more material than a lot of other competitive systems out there. With a large 44-inch handle that you can build your stack as high as you want and take everything with you in one efficient trip. All right, next I want to talk about solutions for our homeowners. And I want to talk about, in particular, our wall solution here. We've got 33-inch wall rails is what we call it. And the reason for this length is so we can optimize for stud engagement on the walls behind us. Nobody likes using drywall fasteners, right? So this solution is no exception. So basically all you do is put a level on top. You want to level your first piece. And then after that, it's just plug and play on down the line. Whether you want to add to the horizontally or vertically, you know, we've got full system customization and flexibility. The brackets are all universal. So we've got a common Y bracket interface that locks in between the diamonds. So it's very easy just to plug and play.
Can I take a look at that? Yep. So it'll just pop in?
Yeah.
And then for some reason you need to just move something around because of interference, pop in, pop it out.
Exactly.
That's terrific.
And the shelves work the same way, so they just drop into the same slots.
That's great.
And lastly, our tool crate hangs on the wall as well and can also lock into your mobile stack.
One of the things that really excited me that I heard about the crate, the boxes will actually interlock up on top of the crate as well.
Absolutely.
So you're not limited by having to always have this at the top.
Absolutely. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we'll remove our standard toolbox.
Oh, that's great.
There you go. So what we've got is a locking plate that automatically engages.
You know what's terrific about that? You don't have to worry about sliding the correct way. You pop it on and it releases. Let me see.
Yep, just hit the button.
So easy a caveman can do it.
And then also want to talk about our latches. A lot of the DIY type solutions out there that are modular storage have sheet metal latches. And the problem with those is, as soon as you drop something, or as soon as you hit it with something else and you bend that sheet metal, you can't use it anymore and you can't lock your box. So then you lose all your water and dust resistance. So we've got glass infused nylon latches to make it the most tough and durable polymer out there. We've also got our 5mm large steel bale wire to make sure that you get a real positive snap without having that mousetrap type effect, right? We want to make sure that we get positive engagement with our lids and keep everything nice and tight and clean and dry inside of our toolboxes, but not making it difficult for the user.
That's awesome.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.